Um, Hello, it's me, Chris Eden. This is my MID, and this is a picture of me for any purposes that is needed. And today we are going to be talking about our project, video project 1 for 1044. Um, so here is what I got from my calculator. These are all my calculator models as listed. These are the exact that they give me from the calculated set from using the data set. Sorry for the pencil thickness. Some of them are a little thicker, some of them a little skinnier. But yeah, so this is all the equations that the calculator was to give me. Um, then here, as we look for number 2, these are all the 6 models that we use for Desmos. So I'll go ahead and show you that now. So I put in the table there. I'll go ahead and get all of these. So here's your linear. There is your, that would be your quadratic. Here's your exponential. Here is your logarithmic. Here is your sine. It's a little bit glitchy. You gotta, yeah. And then here is your logistic. So these are all of the models given to us by the calculator. I just went ahead and computed the values into Desmos, such as that. And then these are what Desmos graphed using the parameters that I typed in. These are all the parameters of all of the functions as listed above. So this is your linear. Then this is your quadratic. This is your exponential. This is your log. This is your sine. And this is your logistic. So these are all the models given to us by Desmos. As seen here. I'm going to turn those off. Right, and then looking into the third part of the video, or actually, the verbal explanation. I picked out which one was better between Desmos. These are the two that I found the most different, the exponential and the sine. I found a difference in the model shape in general. And really the way that I picked which one was quote unquote better, I picked by the higher R squared value. So these two were the ones that were different. Obviously, the exponential did not have a better R squared on the Desmos. The calculator is probably a better calculator, or it's a better model for that. And then the sine graph, I did find that it had a higher R squared value. So I went ahead and picked the Desmos model as the better model there. And looking at number 3, comparing the R squared values, I went through all of these on the Desmos models, and I found that the logistic graph here was to have the highest R squared value at 0.991, so that's a very, very close number to obviously 1, which is a very good R squared value. And yeah, as I said earlier, this is me. There's my UCID number, that's me. And there's my name for any contact purposes. Thank you for the presentation today.